Okay, so let us continue yung ating lecture sa probability. So we have number 9. The probability that both stages of a two-stage missile will function correctly is 0.95. Okay, so kumbaga sabihin na lang natin na yung missile dalawang beses na magfa-fire. Ngayon, yung probability daw na magfa-function with for the two stages is 0.95. Yung probability ng unang stage is 0.98. Hinahanap yung probability ng second stage. Okay? So, dito na papasok yung tinatawag na independent probability. Okay? Independent probability. Kasi nga, yung dalawang stage may kanya-kanyang probability, no? So, independent. Okay? So, number 9. Number 9, ang probability that is equal to probability ng first multiplied by the probability ng second. Okay? So, 0.95 to. Then, 0.98 yung probability ng first. Then, the probability ng second is equal to 0.97. Okay? Yan. Next, number 10. A class has 12 boys and 4 girls. If 3 students are selected at random from the class, what is the probability that they are all boys? Okay, so sa 16, sa 12 na boy na yan, then 4 na girl, pipili ka ng 3 sa klase. Ano kaya yung probability na lahat ng 3 masiselect mo, mabubunot mo, for example, ay mga lalaki. Okay, so number 10, yung probability is equal to 12, kasi yan yung number of boys, then ang kailangan mo ay 3, no? Divided by 16 lahat, including yung boys ay girls, then combination of 3. So this is 0.3928. Okay? Number 11. What is the probability that no 2 people in a group of 7 having the same birthday? So number 11. So meron daw 7 tao, ano daw yung probability na kahit wala no ni dalawa, no, or yung isang tao walang kaparehasang birthday. So meron tayong 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay? So yung isa, for example, papipiliin sana natin ng birthday. Halimbawa lang, no, papipiliin. So 365, out of 365 yung pwede niyang maging birthday, no? Okay? Ngayon, yung susunod, 364 na lang. 364. Out of 365 na, then continue lang natin to hanggang doon sa makumpleto natin yung 7. So 362, 365, so 360, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 361, 365, 360, tapos 365, tapos 359, 365. Ayan. Okay. 365. So, ang probability niyan ay 0.94. So, napakaliitong probability na magkakaroon kayo ng kaparehas na birthday, no? Number 12. 2 students are working independently on a problem, no? Yung respective probabilities ng dalawa ay 1/3 tsaka 1/4. So, mas magaling yung isa. What is the probability that at least one of them will solve the problem? Okay, so number 12. Ayan. So, ang probability is ganito. Pwedeng makuha ni A, for example, probability ni A, ayan. Tama si A, mali si B. Okay, or, kasi at least yung sabi niya probability ni A, probability ni B, mali si A, tama si B. Or pwede rin naman na parehas silang tama. So, check parehas. Ayan. So, at least sabi naman niya, so at least isa o pwede namang dalawa. So, 1/3, 1/4 ata to. 1/4, tama ba? 1/3 pala si A. 1/3 si A. So, tama siya. Mali si B. Ang probability kasi ni B is 1/4, no? So, ang lalagay natin dito ay 3/4 kasi nga mali siya. Okay, plus, mali si A. So, 2/3 to. Tama si B. 1/4 and then, tama silang dalawa. 1/3 tsaka 1/4. Okay? So, the probability is 1/2. So, 1/2 or 50% yung chance na isa ay may makakuha sa kanila. Ayan. Next, on a shooting practice, the probability of 3 training cups hit the target is 30%, 40%, and 45% respectively. So, may hina tong mga pulis na to. Napakaliit ng kanilang mga probability na matamaan yung target nila. If each fired their guns aiming to the target, what is the probability that only one cup hit the target? So, in this case, isa lang naman yung kailangan Dun sa past problem kanina, yung number 12 natin, at least sabi niya, ito only 1. Okay? 30, 40, tsaka 45. Number 13. Okay, so ang probability ay lagay natin to bali tatlo yan. So independent probability kasi may mga kanya-kanyang probability yung tatlong cups, no? Tapos ayan. So ang mangyayari, for example, first scenario natin, makatatama si A, then sablay si B tsaka si C. Then sablay, then tama, sablay, tapos tatama si C. So balikan natin yung probabilities. 30, 40, tsaka 45. So 30, 0.3, 0.40 ups. Sablay pala to. So 0.6 ang ilalagay natin. Sablay kasi 0.6 tapos 0.55 plus sablay si A 0.4 tatama si B, sablay si C 55, and then pang last is sablay si A, sablay si B 0.62, and then 45 tatama si C. So the probability is equal to 0.442. Ayan. Okay.